going to change the parking light on the Solstice. We got a new light from Amazon. It's a black tinted LED light. Looks a lot better. I'll show you the results on the car a little later. But you can see, well, one's for the passenger side, one's for the driver's side, but they're identical. The biggest difference here is the bulb on the old one. Right, it fits in there. The connection to it, as you can see, turns into the connection to this. So you plug that right where you unplug this bulb. Take this out. Real easy. All you are going to need is a 7mm tool, 3 bolts. We're good to go. Let's watch. All right, let's try this one more time. Recorded the whole thing, and my mic was on CarPlay in the car, so you couldn't hear me. Anyway, here's the stock lights. You can see that one light bulb is right here. It does not do very good at filling the whole section, right? Here's the LED. It's actually a lot brighter, which is funny because it's tinted, but it fills up the whole section and it looks really good. Let me go turn off the lights real quick, put you down as you're looking up there, and you can tell what the lights look like when it's off. All right, so you can see there, it's black. It fades in pretty well. On a black car, it actually looks really good compared to the orange on against the black. I go over here. I like the black look a lot better. All right, so I said earlier there's 3 bolts, and I did 3 bolts or screws on the other side. This time we're only gonna do 2. There's one right here and one right here. I did this one over here the last time. You don't need to do it. Gives you a little bit more room, but it's really not needed. Two off, pry this side. You can kind of see in here now. Zoom in a little bit. All right, you can see in there. There's a little clip right here. All we have to do is unsnap that. Pretty easy, pops right out, right? And then it's just connected on the bottom to this piece. All we have to do is pull the light out, pop the bulb out, then you'll get the other piece. All right, so that little plug connector goes right into the old light socket, so it's truly plug and play. Plug it in. And then just reverse course here. The bottom one goes in, top one plugs in. Almost done. Just 2 more screws and we're good to go. Okay, and then we'll turn it on. There it is. So overall the results I think look a lot better, a lot brighter, a lot more modern. Both sides are done now. Now I just need to update these headlights. And again, when the car is off, those parking lights blend right in. Can't even tell around the wheel well there when you get far enough away. But overall, I really like it. Looks really good. Up next, I gotta replace this doorknob, and then hopefully next week the new wheels come in. Until then, see you next time.